Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my morning talk, y'all. I am so excited this morning. So excited. Yesterday I was supposed to do a video, but I had to rush out and go to work. So I'm here with a video this morning. I am so excited today. Today is Saturday. First off, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for all of the love and support. It has been wonderful. I have been getting a lot of emails. I've been getting a lot of counseling sessions, one-on-one sessions. It's been lit, y'all. I just want to thank you guys for that. And please do not forget to start sharing my videos, y'all. And I'm going to start commenting on the comments because I've been getting comments lately too. So don't forget to share the videos, and I'm going to start getting over to the comments. But however, listen, y'all, I have a grandbaby. And this morning I have been sitting here thinking, I have a grandchild, and that is just amazing. I've been kind of for whatever reason, I have not been involved with the child's life, and today I'm going to his birthday party, and I'm so excited about it, like really excited about it. And as I sit here, I'm thinking. I just been thinking all morning. I woke up a little early, and I just been sitting here thinking like, wow, I have a grandchild. You know, a lot of times we don't realize who we are, and I'm finna break that down for y'all because I've been really been thinking about this. Y'all know I'm a thinker. I have been going through so many different things in my life the last 15 years, highs and lows and everything. I'm learning so much about myself these days. You know, I'm learning how I'm becoming a woman. I'm becoming a mother, you know. And it feels amazing. It really feels weird because I've been a mother forever for the last 21 years. And I've been a woman forever too. But just because you are a mother or you are a woman don't mean that you are a mother or you are a woman. You know what I mean? You have to really step into that. You know what I mean? With 100% of you. And when you going through certain things in your life, you can't get nothing 100% of you. So when you get out of things, that realization kicks in, and it's like, wow, wow, wow. So as I sit and think, Shatrivia, you've been becoming a mother and you've been becoming a woman. You are about to become a grandmother today. You are about to go and see your son's son. It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. So my advice to myself is to keep growing, to keep going, keep moving forward. And the reason why this is so important because sometimes we be going through so much in our life, we be tired. And sometimes we give up right when everything is about to happen for us. We give up and we get the I don't care attitude, and we just get stuck right there, and we don't try harder to continue to move forward and to continue to strive. And my advice to you today is no matter what you're going through, no matter how you feel, and forget about what you're going through because what you're going through ain't even an issue. How you feel about what you're going through is the issue. I don't care what it feel like. Just continue to try to do the right thing, regardless of how you feel. Our feelings have no desire to please God. Don't you never ever forget that. Feelings are not real. If you can push past your feelings, push past your emotions, it's something amazing for you on the other side. And you can listen to me on this. I have lived this thing. It's something amazing for you. We have to push past our feelings, our emotions. It keeps us down. It's something amazing gonna happen if you continue. I got coffee this morning, y'all. I have coffee this morning. My advice is to continue on. Continue to strive to become better. Continue to look at yourself. The best thing you can do for yourself is look at yourself. Don't look at your man. Don't look at your husband. Don't look at your kids. Don't look at your job. Don't look at your house. Don't look at none of that. Look at yourself from the inside out. Not the outside, because the outside is too pretty. You can't see. You can't see anything. You can't see past your lashes because they're in your eyeballs. You can't see them. You can't see past your tracks. Can't see past your beauty, all your makeup. You can't see past all of your beautiful clothes you wear. And the reason why I'm saying it is a lot of times all of it be covered up pain, but you can see past the image that you give people when you walk out your door. You can't see. Look within your soul. Look within your heart. Look within your behavior. Just sit down and think about yourself. And if you continue to look at yourself, why do I respond like this? Why do I do this? What do I want? Give yourself some self-time. And the more and more you give yourself more of yourself, it will make you want to continue to be better. Don't look at nobody else. Let's look at ourselves. And that's where I'm at today. I'm looking at myself as a woman and as a mother. Now I'm finna get ready to step into this role of a grandmother. And I don't know what to do. I've never been one. Just like I had never been a mother, I didn't know what to do. Like I had never been a woman, I didn't know what to do. You know what I mean? But because I'm old and I'm wiser, now I'm about to step in another shoe. I'm about to put on another hat. And it's scary. But it's really not scary because I'm going to take God with me. And I'm going to continue to do better. And I'm going to continue to make the proper changes in my life that I need that's necessary for me to be the best Shatrivia Unique Kennedy that God want me to be. And I will be the best grandmother, mother, and woman that I'm supposed to be. And I'm not going to say that again. I hope y'all got it. Because I cannot repeat it. Cannot repeat it. So our word for the weekend is to focus on yourself so that you can continue to move forward in a healthier, better direction without your emotions. That's what I got for y'all today. But however, got two things to tell y'all. I'm finna give y'all two things that's going on with me. So I like mugs, y'all. I am a mug kid. Like I got like 25 mugs, right? And I'm about to start getting more. Like I really like mugs. And I think I'm gonna have my kids do a video this weekend. 10 things you need to know about me. I'm gonna do this weekend so y'all can know a little bit more about me. But I like mugs. And I drink coffee. Y'all probably didn't even know that either. I drink coffee as much as I yarn. I did not yarn on this video. I am so proud of myself. As much as I yarn, you would have never thought I drink coffee, right? I don't drink it a lot. But since I moved, I've been drinking coffee. I have a coffee pot too, y'all. It's weird, right? So I've been drinking coffee. So I woke up this morning and I made me a cup of coffee. It feels good to... It feels good to be in a better space. I thought I was going to end the video, but I see I'm not. It feels good to be in a better place mentally. It just feels good. I feel good. I'll talk about this later because it's a whole nother video. But I made coffee this morning. It's really, really good. And I like mugs, y'all. So if y'all want to know anything about me, one thing y'all need to know is that I like mugs. I am a mug girl. I like mugs. Like I got mugs that say all different type of things. When I go in a store and I see a mug, I be like, oh my God, I want that mug. So if you want to buy me a gift, buy me a mug. And another thing, y'all, my book was released Thursday. HIV Experiences. It's cute too, y'all. I designed this book myself, y'all. This is my design of my book. I'll tell y'all later why I designed it that way. That's another video. And look at that. That's cute. Y'all see my face? I look serious on them. This book is called... The title of this book is HIV Experiences. The reason why is because I've had a lot of different experiences with HIV in the last 15 years. So I shared certain things. It's a quick read. It's not long at all. You can probably read it in an hour. The book is $14.99. If you want an autographed copy, you can order one from me. Shipping is $5. So it's 19 bucks. I'm going to be placing orders from now until Wednesday. So if y'all want to order y'all a book, definitely check the comments, the description. The descriptions. I'm going to put my information in the description so y'all can order a book. And do not forget two things. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done that, because it's about to get lit. Second thing, do not forget to control your emotions. And I'm not saying this again because I went off into something else, and I do not want y'all to forget. Continue to look at yourself from within, not your pretty face, not what you see when you go outside, not what everybody else see. Continue to look at yourself and what's going on with you intimately. Look at the way you handle things. Look at what you say. Look at what you do. Look at how you fit. All this. And evaluate your situations. Evaluate yourself. And continue to move forward in a better direction. I don't care what it feel like. I don't care what's going on. I do not care And you should not either, because things going to go on as long as you're on the other side of heaven. On this side of heaven, you're going to go through some stuff. So if you push past and continue to move forward with the mindset of, I don't care what go on in my life, I want to feel better, I want to be better, I want to make better decisions, and I want my circle to be better. If you continue that, I'm telling you, you will feel so much better. And after you feel better, the joy will kick in. Because, see, it's like levels to this. I keep saying, no matter how you feel and forget how you feel. And it's hard because it sounds like I'm contradicting myself. But really, I'm not. Your feelings is not real. So don't care about how they feel. But at the same time, you have to evaluate the feeling and the emotion and figure out where is it coming from. Where is this coming from? What is the root of this? It's like once you get over the root of why the feeling is there, then you can move forward. Feelings is temporary, but joy is forever. Joy and peace within your soul. It is an amazing feeling to have joy and peace for no reason. To just wake up and I'm just happy because I'm happy. You know what I mean? I feel joy thinking about who I used to be and how I used to feel, and I'm not feeling that way no more. That's what I mean. I hope y'all follow me, because sometimes when I hear something in my head, I just say it. You know what I mean? And sometimes I don't put it in a proper perspective, and that's one thing. I'm a Virgo, so it's I be knowing what I'm talking about and what I'm supposed to say, but when I get here, if God tell me, I hit it, and that's something that I have to work on. I have to work on my relationship with God and my deliverance when I'm here. But that's the Virgo in me. We be all over the place, but we mean well. I hope y'all follow what I'm saying. Another thing, I love y'all so much. But I'm about to go because I got to get ready for this baby party, and I have to finish my morning self-development. It's very important. So y'all enjoy y'all weekend, and peace.